bad in here. And there's a sono. Oh my god, there's a fire. Fuck. A video call. Yay! I'm so fast. God, I just hit my pew. Oh my god, I just hit my pew. Oh my god, that hurt so bad. Oh my god. Oh! Cancel class. Oh my god, this is the craziest moment in my fucking ever life, bro. The fire just started in the school and yeah. Okay, the teacher's mad. Katipunan! We have to pack our bags, by the way. I'm wearing a mask and I feel bad. I need You fucking You're a freaking They all are crying. Some girls just cried.
I am making everything so fast. Dahil si ma'am, ikabaho, ma'am gawa sa mga estudyante. Mauna pa mo sa disgrasya na yung pagkachismuso. Ma'am, ako nila yung ay, naku, ma'am. Buhay nga dahil ang maestra dyan, ma'am. Ikaw na ma'am. Ikaw na. Buhay nga dahil ang rainbow.
Yes, fire, yeah. And it's cancel class. Just please cancel the class, fire, bro, fire. Just this, fire.
Wait, imagine, we are 53. Kailangan na po mo.
Get the...
Again, imagine we are 53.
How can...
Kaya pa mo magkabang ka na sa mga lumayan ng panagan na tumaon sa mga pagkain ng mga tomato.
Bro, I hope everyone is okay and Camille is okay. I hope Camille is okay. I just want them to be safe and calling. You're the only hope. And Pipito, my baby. Bro, what are you doing? Okay, giubo na ko. Giubo na, Jukoy. Katipunan, nagiubo na ko.
Ayaw na po,
Cancel class. Let me see what the time. Oh, it's just 2, bro. Like a... Linda? Uy! And say hi.
That's mom.
Bro, serious kasi ya. Wow. Hey! That is the background character, guys. And this one is the main character. Oy! Ayaw, oy! Hey! Cancel class! Cancel class! Ayaw, pamak yun! Pijoy! Ay! What the fuck was that voice? Guys, what did they say? I made it look in the stage, chili baby sing it back. What the fuck? My head is hurting so bad, yeah. Oh my god. I feel so good. My god. Oh my god. Bro, katiunan! Stop! Stop! Don't talk to us. Katipunan. My Migo's recording. He's also recording, guys. So better wait for our channel. Yeah. That's him right there. Hey! Don't record me, bro. You're a horror mode.
Dili mo hilak.